Oh, I need a bathroom break. Get it? Bathroom break. Help me out. Hey, in the bathroom, on the floor. Girl, it's old. This is old. This is old. Throw it away. And wrap it up and finish because it's 3 a.m. Well, hello. Another video in my bathroom. Look at you. My name is Hallie. I make videos on lifestyle improvement, life hacks, DIYs, and right now we are decluttering. Just in my closet. If you want to see what that's like, what it was like, go ahead and check that out. And now it's time to be in my bathroom. We're getting my lower cabinet, my bathroom, my medicine cabinet, all things bathroom, gas to go. Okay, well, not the good stuff. We're gonna keep that. So I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna do. Let's get to it. Let me show you what I'm working with. Don't judge, okay? Don't judge, be nice. Ooh, child. I'm stalling. I'm stalling. I don't wanna do it. All right, welcome to my bathroom floor. As you can see, I still have my bathrobe on, so I need to put on some clothes so we can get to business. What's usually hidden under the sink of a girl's bathroom is always interesting. So this is what I need to declutter. Below my bathroom sink is toilet paper, toilet cleaner, sanitary napkins, makeup bag. Usually the only other thing I usually have on my countertop is my makeup bag, but I like to have it under here because I don't like to have anything on my countertop. Hair products, blow dryer. This whole thing, oops, let me just move this out of the way. This whole thing is full of just trash bags for the trash can, hair gels, brushes. What's going to be hard for me today is I really am going to want to organize, and this will 100% look better when I have like shelving or something. So I'm just going to try to declutter because I can't really organize it because I need to get some shelves or something for this. But today is just getting rid of what doesn't need to be rid of. And the reason why I recommend that before getting shelving is because sometimes we can make our mess look cute when you really should have just got rid of it. So before we can make it cute, let's get rid of whatever I don't need. So I have stuff here also, and this is what my countertop is looking like. This is the only thing I have on my countertop are soap, toothbrush, my epilator, whoop whoop, we've grown to love, and some lotion and a hair scrunchie. This is the only stuff I usually have on my countertop if it's not makeup. And this is what my medicine cabinet is looking like. Hair oils, bobby pins, makeup wipes, more oils that need to be thrown away because like that's empty. Kind of basically the medicine cabinet is on the top for me. Band-aids, makeup remover, deodorants. These are all my organic deodorants. The other one behind here. Love that one. I always sleep with that one on because it's so good. So deodorants, chapstick, hair gels, especially up here because I do my little baby hairs and all trimmers and stuff like that. My brush, my comb that I use every day, soap, dry shampoo, baby powder for my epilator. In case you're wondering if that's an old bottle, the lotion comes out yellow. So it's yellow lotion, that's why it looks like that. And then my products I usually use on my face is like acne.org. So wide shot, this is what it's looking like before. So up there, down there, and like I told you before, my closet, one more drawer full of bathroom stuff. So this is literally all lotions. But do I need all these lotions and like non-organic deodorant from back in the day? When I was living wild and using regular deodorants. Like literally this is mostly just lotion and like nail polish remover stuff, like or leave-in conditioner, just random bathroom stuff that couldn't fit under the bathroom. Whoa, this is already heavy. It's all from DJing. I travel a lot and just going home, so this is all my small containered bathroom stuff. So it's like, you know, hotel size type stuff. So I usually just take it and grab and go. So that's what all this is. Toothbrush that I've never used. All like hotel size stuff, so when I travel whenever I travel, I grab my soap, bathroom stuff from here. And then this is the makeup one. Oh, I forgot I had this. If y'all want to know about this, let me know. I love this little device. Oh yeah, nails, eyelash glue, all the makeup that didn't fit in the bag, and that's like restock. So if I ever run out of lashes, got some lashes, run out of glue, lipstick, just basically anything that's not an everyday makeup thing, or it's a restock, as in I don't have to go to Target tomorrow, is all in here. But my goal is to really empty out this sucker, because your girl uses Jergens every day. I don't need all this. Ooh, I do need this. I have to make a video about this, y'all. This saved my life. But anyways, let's get to it. Enough talking. Whew. All right, so I'm just gonna go section by section. I'm gonna take everything out of here, put it out, and then only put absolutely 100% what I'm gonna keep in, and any maybes, keep them out. Do the same thing with the medicine cabinet. Do the same thing with each drawer that I have outside the bathroom, and then it should be that easy, right? So as I'm going to be getting rid of things out of under here on top, under here in the medicine cabinet and my other drawers, is I'm going to be looking at things I haven't used within the past year or two. Usually I looked up moisturizer and stuff like that, usually expire in after about 2 years. It's not like food where it's like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get so sick if I use it. But the quality of how good it was when you first use it, that's kind of what I take as expiration date for moisturizers and bath stuff like that. It's just not giving you what you bought the product for, basically, after the expiration date. So I'm gonna get rid of anything I haven't used over the past 2 years, unless it's a perfume. But in terms of like lotions, I probably have lotions that I've had for the past 5 years. So anything that's a moisturizer, soap, things like that I haven't used within the past 2 years, and probably will not use. Okay, so I'm on FaceTime with my family, but this is empty, and that's just my family talking on FaceTime. But this is now empty, and now I'm just gonna put what I need. This is everything that was in there. Yeah, I might throw away a couple obvious things, but try to not make it stuffed. So what had happened was I took a little break. I made some French toast, then got on the internet, and now it's 1:30 in the morning. But we're gonna finish. I'm gonna finish. You're just here to support me in my lack of sleep. So all that's left is medicine cabinet, makeup in my top drawer, makeup in my makeup bag. I was gonna do jewelry today, but we're trying to go to sleep by 2 a.m. Okay. Here we go. This is a little bit hard.
Next level.
Okay, all that's left is my makeup. So this is my makeup, my everyday makeup bag. I'm just going to take everything out, wipe it down, and see if there's anything in here that I don't really use. Same thing with the smaller portable makeup bag. And this is either just extra storage of makeup. It's 2:56 in the morning, so I thought I'd take a cookie break. I baked some cookies. I was gonna have a glass of wine, but I figured this was the wiser choice. I don't even like baked goods, but home baked cookies. So I just have this left. I'm done. I am done. Excuse me, hold on. I did my makeup bag. It's finally easy to zip and it's not super bulky. It used to like bulge out. Yay. And I've been throwing away a lot of old makeup. Like, I don't even wear mascara because I wear false eyelashes, and I'm like, why do I have 3 dried up things of mascara? Throw them away. Why do I have foundation that's completely empty? Now, I did have a good excuse for that. Sometimes I forget what color it's called, so I keep it. So I'm like, oh yeah, warm number 12. Nothing's worse than getting the wrong color. But I should know the color by now. I've been using it for about 4 years. And like makeup remover wipes. Oh yeah, I did need some of these. Okay, but like this little e.l.f. eyeshadow, I think I got in 2015. Like, it's e.l.f. It was $1. I think I'll be okay if I don't have it, because I have a whole. Another thing about eyeshadow, if you're not really into makeup and you're like, how did I end up with all this random makeup like me? I have a whole eyeshadow palette. So out of this whole palette, all I have to do is make sure I have this one color. It's like a brownish color, and I can just throw it away. So I'm gonna look at it first, because I don't even need to consider it. Girl, it's old. This is old. This is old. Throw it away. And wrap it up and finish, because it's 3 a.m. Here's the makeup, first drawer, done. What kills me is the fact that why do I have 3 empties? Like, what was the point of this? What was the point of this? I think it's like an emergency, and I was like, at least I got a little bit. It's like, no girl, throw them away. And I moved my eyelashes, nail, and then powder all in my vanity drawer. So instead of being in there, I have a lot more space here, which is perfect because I usually just do my nails right here, if I do them at all. So finished down here. I didn't mean to organize, because once again I just wanted to declutter and then organize, because I wanted to get some shelves or something down here. But since I was decluttering and had a lot of cardboard boxes that I was about to throw away, I figured I'd start to get an idea of how I want to do shelving. So I literally had an Amazon package in a box and in another box, and I literally just cut off the edges, and that's what I literally have. A box here, it's literally, that's where it stops, and then another box. And now that's probably how I'm gonna put my shelf. And then it's just makeup, hair brushes, blow dryer, gels, foot creams, you know, y'all get the foot scrubs, shampoos. That's full of bags for my trash can, sanitary napkins, toilet cleaner. This is what my under sink looks like without doing any extra organization and adding any shelves. Just using those 2 cardboard boxes. And this is an after medicine cabinet. So it's a lot more bare, which I like. I like it a lot. Then this is just bath stuff. That's travel size stuff, because, you know, when I was DJing before COVID, I was gone every week. And there's a lot of space for stuff to move around. Just deodorants. I always like to have a deodorant that's not organic for like before COVID, and I used to have friends over. Somebody needs deodorant, I'd rather give them. They ain't trying to be organic like me. They don't care, so I give them that. Lotions. I can't wait to do a video about this stuff. So good. Bath stuff. Masks and scrubs. And yeah, we did it. Oh, did it! Decluttered my bathroom. I did my bathroom, bottom cabinet, medicine cabinet, all the cabinets, all the bath stuff, makeup stuff. And now I'm done. But not really, because there's more days to go. But it is all decluttered, and just a reminder, you know, people usually don't just declutter because they're like, I just like being organized. Sometimes it's literally because you have to, if you want to function at home. You're home all the time, so might as well make it a functional place, a clear place, a clean place. You've already basically thrown a lot of these things away already by not using them. The only difference is you just haven't put them in the trash can. You know what I mean? Like, because when you throw something away, you just don't use it anymore. So think about it that way. Just a reminder, when you're doing these things, I always just like to think about expiration date. What's the expiration date on that? I threw away all my medicine except for one ibuprofen. And, or was it ibuprofen? Or was it an iron pill? I don't know. I had 8 bottles of medicine, and then one of them was not expired, so I had to throw them all away. Moisturizer, soaps, you know, like, they say after 2 years, but maybe you can stretch 3, but I had stuff since, I don't know, 10 years ago, so had to get rid of that. And, yeah, just because it's a full bottle doesn't mean you have to keep it, because you're not using it anyways. My space, I can see every bottle, every container, all the things, and then it makes you excited again to use your own stuff that you've had all along. So, and it's not being covered and cluttered by all the stuff that you don't use. But I'm done. It is 3:31 a.m. Oh Lord, I need to go to sleep. And then edit this and then post it. Free to judge me and my declutter mess. Remember, I did not organize. I just decluttered. We're gonna organize another time. We just organized just a little bit, People always say like, oh, I hope nobody looks on my medicine cabinet when they come over. Like, look at my medicine cabinet. My medicine cabinet is clean. Go ahead and look, take a look. And underneath my bathroom cabinet, like, I have no shame. I have no shame. Look in there. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you like. But until the next video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell. Because look at this. Videos coming back to back. I got you. If you have any questions, let me know. And let's keep decluttering until we're done. Because we ain't done. We're not. Peace.